Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. So let's see where market can move and how we can plan for tomorrow. Last week we discussed that this is the range will going to be no trade zone because it's a volatile range. How we can plan? We can plan only above 11,700 any kind of price action on breakouts. We can plan to buy on here unless this range will going to be no trade zone. And you can see there after opening flat continuously going upside 11,700 resistance again selling, and this range again support again pullback. No doubt it's on huge volatile market for today, and this is what we plan on yesterday. This is the range will going to be volatile, and we are not going to be we are not going to take any trade inside. Whenever market we are going to trade inside of this range. So how we can plan for tomorrow? Market is closing still on that range. You can see still market on that range. So best trade after opening flat for tomorrow. As soon as it cross 11,700, we can planning to buy on here. There is no need to be wait for any price action because already market closing in a strong side. It just need to be a follow through for tomorrow morning. Suppose after opening flat, as soon as it cross 11,700, we can find to buy on here, and 11,800 no doubt is on resistance level. So how we can plan? After breakout 11,700, each and every 30 to 30.6 30 40 point, we are going to trail our SL. So we are going to see that 11,800 after touching this level, how market going to be react. If anything sudden reverse, we are going to book a profit. If it's not, it still can continue, then we are going to trail our SL. So we can get more, we can collect more point above 11,800. So I hope you understand this planning. After being flat, we are going to planning buy above 11,700 only after opening flat. If anything gap down, no doubt it will going to be volatile again. Suppose if anything huge gap down that to be near 11,500, then we can plan to sell, but with the proper price, because you can see here this range no doubt is on breakout. It's whenever market facing this level, it's an aggressive buying. It's on aggressive buying. So no doubt this range is going to be the most important. If anything sudden gap down, so we have to see the price action. Only price action, this kind of price action we can plan to sell on here, unless it will going to be completely volatile again after opening gap down. And if anything gap up near 11,800 11,850, then we have to see the price action, because after opening no doubt it's on range. If anything range breakout without any price action, directly gap up opening, then market will going to be a volatile market, because both the side this range is going to be support and resistance, and the lower side will going to be support. So in between support and resistance, after opening gap up, market will going to be sideways. So better, if anything gap up, we are going to be ignore this trade. I hope you understand this point and planning for tomorrow. So let's check S&P 500. How I can plan to buy for tomorrow. Closing is look like near on 3,800, which is round level. So how can plan as well as Nasdaq after opening flat, as soon as it break 3,800, we can plan to buy on here, and 10 to 15 point going to be stop loss, 1 to 2 going to be our target, and this range is going to be 3,820 going to be next resistance level. So after breakout this level need to be hold, accumulate, then breakout, it can be another continuation momentum for tomorrow. But for this, market need to open flat. If anything directly gap up, market will going to be volatile, that we are not going to be take a trade, any trade. If anything gap down near on 3,750 60 near on that range, any gap down, then we have to see the proper price action, because you can see there this range we already discussed that this is sudden moment. That means this is the no doubt it's on range, but this range are generally prefer to the buyer, because buyer controlling this range. No doubt seller trying to selling each and every swing, breakout trying to break out on upside, but seller controlling this range again breakout. So whenever market, as long as market will going to be traded inside of this range, we are not going to be planned. So that's the reason. If anything gap down, we have to see the price action. If selling have to be, if it is selling, then have to be continuation, and tomorrow is Friday. No doubt if selling need to be continued, then tomorrow is going to be the day we can plan to sell aggressively with the proper price action. Or if this range will going to be as a support, then market will going to be volatile, then we are not going to be execute any trade. I hope you understand all of this point, friends. So let's see which stock we can take a trade for tomorrow. First stock will going to be the Walmart, which is for the buying side. You can see there after sharply breakdown here, market completely on a range. You can see here after momentum will going to be continue only if any range will going to break out. You can see it's a breakout range almost 6 to 6 to 7 days market continues to trade on this range, and today is a strong closing, so it can be continued for tomorrow. 124, as soon as it break out on upside after opening flat, we can plan to buy on here, and 126, 27 can be market go that with the flow. So $2 going to be stop loss, 1 is going to be our target. This is our first stock, which is Walmart. Second stock will going to be the Tesla, which is also for positive side. It's no doubt it's a negative candle. You can see here it's a negative candle, but if you understand, if you go in 50-minute time frame, you can see the market continuously maintaining the trend. No doubt selling pressure are there, but somewhere market maintaining the trend. So if trend line going to be breakout, we can plan to buy easily, and market can be pull back on upside. So 707 going to be our purchase price after opening flat. As soon as it cross 707, we can plan to buy on here, and $4 to $5 going to be stop loss, 1 is going to be our target. And it's a very volatile stock. It can momentum, it can give very good momentum. So we have I hope we can capture that target for tomorrow after opening flat. As soon as it cross 707, going to be our purchase price, we can plan to buy on here, and 1 is going to be our target, and $4 to $5 going to be our stop loss. I hope you understand all of this point. If you understand, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you very much.